Just arrived to Leke Leke Waterfall, and apparently we're the first ones here, which is good because we thought we was going to be amongst like all the Instagrammers and stuff. So we should have the place to ourselves. It's like a 15-minute walk down apparently. It's quite slippery and that, so I think they give you like sticks and that, but yeah, the place is nice. It's quite high up. Just show you some of the scenery. Proper rainforest vibes right now. So the way down wasn't too challenging, but I shortly realised it was much easier to go down barefoot as you didn't slip as much. She definitely earned the nickname Jane of the Jungle. So once you reach the bottom, you're greeted by the magnificent waterfall. So after we had taken all of our photos and videos, we decided to get in for a swim. Woo! I kept this bit in to remind you lot that it's always important to watch your step. Otherwise you'll end up like me.
Jesus. Yeah. That was lucky, wasn't it? No, thank God. I actually didn't. Pull down camera again. Here you go, take this.
Guys, if there's any questions about Leke Leke Waterfall, let me know in the comments below. And if you like the video, you know what to do.